changing the brake pads, and I couldn't get them to free spin like this after fitting the new pads, and the issue was this bolt here, which slides in and out, had lost its movement. So the key thing was to take that out, free it up, get rid of the corrosion, lubricate it on top and bottom, so down there, and now it free spins, whereas before it was jammed, and that was because this here was seized and lost its movement or ability to slide in and out, and so the whole caliper was not aligning, which resulted in the pads jamming onto the disc.